Hi everyone, right, just a really quick video. I've got a flower that I did yesterday that I'm going to come back and show you how I did that. But I've also got the plaque to make as well. I've got some lace that I found at the charity shop yesterday. And it's all, I mean, it's labelled 5 yards for £2. And that's all, if anybody wants it, that's all it is, it's £2. But you get 5 yards. And that's the one. And it's quite a nice lace. So if anybody wants that, let me know on this video. And then this blue one, which again is also really nice. Lovely blue. 4 yards for £2 on that. So 50p a yard. So it'll be sold as a bundle like that. And this was also £2, which was a blue one. And I think there's about 6 yards on that. You know, so if you're interested in any of these, let me know. So they're £2 a bundle. And then I also found these. So I'll have to look at the receipt for what these were, and I'll put them on the shop. Let me just work this out. Why is that like that? Hang on, let me just sort this out. Twisted. This is a gorgeous set. Just beautiful. And then it's got a matching bracelet as well. So that can be used in a flower if you want to cut it up, or it can be worn. So that's going on the shop. Then we've got that bracelet, which is... that's it. Some really nice beads and large bead caps on it if you want to take that apart. Then there was this metal one, so great metal beads. And this one, which is crystals, and beautiful crystals on there, and gorgeous pearls. These two as well. So I'm putting them on the shop. They've got roses in them. And they're nice to take apart and use in your projects. This one, again, is a nice bracelet, which I found. They've got charms on and that, and you can take them apart. And then this was one necklace. And I just thought how lovely that was to have these, the glass as well, crystals. And these are genuine pearls. So they're already on, see, already hanging, so they can hang from anything. Gorgeous. They're cultured pearls, those. So that's that one, and loads of seed beads are all that iridescent. So if anyone's interested in these will be on the shop, but this, let me know on the video if you want these bundles. Same price I paid for them. Like I say, when I buy from charity shops, I don't put anything on them, because I do it when I know people can't get to a charity shop, so it gives them the opportunity to own things we find. Okay, so you find it, that's really pretty. That'll make a gorgeous flower. So that's it. And like I say, I'm going to come back and show you how I did this particular flower. In fact, I'll show you. I'll show you the petal now. That's all you need to know, is how did I do the petal, and you just put it together. So, I won't do the flower. You can go ahead and do the flower yourself. I'll put a picture up of it, I think. You take a piece of ribbon. You fold it in half. Increase that. Cut it a centimetre in. Round it. Don't cut it straight. Round it like a petal shape. Like that. That centimetre in, cut a centimetre, and then round it. So you've got that. And you end up with a shape like that. So let me just get that. That's not quite like that. That's it. Burnish the ends. Like that. Fold it back in half, and then you just seal these together. like that. Then you fold the petal in half, pop that from the centre to the edge. Don't cut it all the way, you'll cut the petal in half. I just do it so that you can still see the seam here. Okay, now wrong scissors I think, but so we need a bit sharp scissors. Oh, that'll do. Cut it off on the angle there and seal that. And there's your petal. And you've got that. And then all you do is you take a piece of felt or something and you add them all the way around. Now, look what happens underneath it. Oh, sorry, I did that. I forgot, sorry. Oh, my glue gun's not on. You put a bit of glue on there and you pinch them together and it opens that up. See, it'll open them two bits up. And you could do your petal like that, or keep it that way and put it on like that. So I'll just share that shape again. Even if you did them longer, it doesn't matter. I did 3 different lengths. So I did 2 inch, 1.5 inch, 1 inch. You need 2, 4, 6, 8 for the base. 2, 4, 6, 7 for the next layer. And then I did 5 for the smaller one. So you've 8 at 2 inch. When I say 2 inch, the petal's got to be 2 inch. This petal itself, from there to there, has to be 2 inch. So you're cutting 4 inch. Then you're cutting 1.5 inch, so cut 3 inch and fold it, see? And then a 2 inch and fold it. And that's what you need. I'll put the measurements in the description, in the video. So again, I'm just going to cut from there and cut round and round it off there. Again, from there, oops. Like that. Open that up. They don't have to be perfect, you know, you're not after perfection. Again, put the 2 between your tweezers. We do sell the tweezers. Like that. Let me just do that again and make sure that's melted. Press that down, fold in half, pop your tweezers on, snip, seal them together, and then turn it upside down. Keep it like that or add a bit of glue at the back and pinch that in. And that opens up that flower. And that's how you do them. So I hope that's helpful. Yeah, I'm going to come back shortly and do the plaque. And I'm using the silk fabrics, the Chinese silk fabric from earlier, mixed with others as well. Okay, and then I put the plaque up for sale, obviously. But yeah, I'm waiting for the ribbons. They're supposed to be coming today. I can't wait. The ombre ribbons are just stunning. And like you'll see in the video, I've just loaded up all the beautiful colours that we're going to have in. But I have had some private orders as well via email. So I'm just saying, I bought enough of all of, I think it's 13 reels, not 12, all different, 13 different colours. And I bought plenty in for the shop, but plenty in for the private orders. But I have to say, it's going to sell out fast. I know that. So grab it while you can. If you want me to put some by for you, you must let me know and I can take the amount off the shop until you get paid. Because I don't mind doing that at all. Anything in the shop, if you want it saving till payday, let me know. We can do that. We just put your name on, take it off, the amounts off the shop, and then if you unfortunately, if you can't purchase it when it comes to payday and something happens, because it does, things happen, then we can always put that amount back onto the shop, okay? But I don't mind saving anything for you. So if you browse through the shop, there's over 1,000 items. Have a really good look. We have lots and lots of laces and braids and ribbons. I mean, I must have about 300 ribbons, 400 maybe. Ray built me that unit, didn't he, with all the rods, and there's hundreds on there. So we've got a really good quality, and everything's top quality. I don't buy rubbish, as you know, and this is beautiful, beautiful ribbons. So, like I say, put lace in the description box of the shop and check it out. We've got lots and lots of different ribbons and different laces and braids. And lots of other things for sale as well. And watch out for the earrings, they're going on sale. Just letting you know. And don't forget, we will put things by if you request that. Just send me a private email on the shop. Nobody else sees the messages but me. So if you're a little bit shy or you're not, don't want anybody to know your business, that's fine. Just let me know by email. Send me a message on the shop. If not, you can write to me via email at fiona.freestylecrafts@gmail.com. And yeah, see you all soon. Bye. Bye for now.